Hey guys, so today's video is going to be me talking through my ultimate wash and go routine to get the best results. So I start on my hair, usually quite itchy after a week or so of not washing my hair. So I'm going to use the Grow It Long Scalp Serum, which soothes my hair from any itchiness and gets rid of dandruff or any kind of build-up, flakes and all of that jazz. So I just massage it into the scalp with my fingertips and pass some of it through to my hair before shampooing. This is what you would call a pre-poo treatment. So then I rinse that out and I use the Jamaican black castor oil strengthen and restore shampoo from Shea Moisture, one of my favorite shampoos, just because it really cleanses the scalp, but then it also doesn't dry out the hair, which most really good shampoos that really cleanse the hair are quite drying, but this is kind of like the best of both worlds. And as you can see, you can detangle the hair with it as well. So I then rinse that out and then I'm just going in with a treatment, which I recommend everyone to do. If you don't deep condition your hair weekly and you want to come to me with your hair problems, I'm just going to go and tell you to deep condition weekly. It's something that I recommend to everyone, and it's definitely helped to transform my hair from dryness to tangles, all of that stuff. I hardly ever suffer from tangled hair, matted hair, no. So I just twist my hair up and then I'm going to leave it in my hair for about half an hour to 40 minutes, making sure it's really saturated in the product. Then I'm going to cover with a plastic bag or a shower cap just to keep in that moisture, and then I go in with my favourite curly hair tool ever, and that is the Thermal Hair Care Heat Cap. It just goes into the microwave for I think around 3 minutes. You swap it round to the other side halfway between, and then it's warm enough to cover on top of the plastic bag and leave it in for, you know, up to 40 to an hour. So now that that's done, my hair will be much softer. You might be left with a line on your forehead, so prepare for that. So as you can see, my hair is much softer just by looking at it, and it's got a lot of shine. So then I rinse that out with cold water, cool water, and then I'm going to go in with my favourite leave-in conditioner at the moment, which is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil leave-in, which just helps to define and soften the hair. So I'm going to finger detangle that through section by section, and as you can see, my hair already is really defined and moisturised. My hair just soaks up this product really well. Next is the key, the major key to a good wash and go for me is the Bouclem Curl Cream, and I have the big like salon size bottle, and guys, I really recommend it. I've had it for over 6 months now and it's just only coming to the end. I think it could maybe last for a year if you use it sparingly. So I like to use it on a day where I really want my hair defined, and as you can see, I use a lot of it. And I make sure my hair is basically white. That's how I know I've used a lot of product and my hair is going to be really moisturised and defined. As you know, I do have a bit of heat damage, just one silly section of my hair, and when I'm feeling up to it, I like to twist it around a flexi rod and then just leave it to air dry. This is just so, you know, the straight part isn't just sticking out and the rest of my curls are popping. Once my hair is dry, as you can see, I'm just going to remove that flexi rod and boom. Yes, this is a really good wash and go, guys. Just to finish it off, I'm going to use a afro comb and just give myself some extra volume, and that is that. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Please make sure to subscribe for more, and I will catch you in the next one. Love you. Bye.